Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome to IELTS Maximum by Dr. Hamza. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the Q card speaking module of speaking exam of IELTS. इसके बारे में आपको बताऊंगा कि how you can crack it and what is the strategy to achieve maximum band score in this particular module. So first of all, you need to know about the complete pattern. For that purpose, video is available in my video list. Go check out first the speaking pattern, how you will get the speaking module exam, then come to this video again. And in this video I'm going to talk about the speaking module strategy which you need to learn in order to attain maximum marks in your IELTS speaking exam. So Q card is just like that sort of exam in which there you need to speak, and you need to speak very well. They'll judge you on the basis of 4 characters: pronunciation, your fluency, your grammar. Okay, but most of the people, what they do wrong is actually they'll stick to the topic which is given to them. They don't exaggerate that topic, they don't prolong that topic. As a result of that, their score decreases. Because for example, if your Q card आपको जो दिया गया, in your Q card there is a statement regarding kindly say something about your favorite food or something in your favorite food, then people need to learn this art to exaggerate this statement. Basically you need to speak for 1 to 2 minutes, and for that purpose you need to speak, you need to strategize yourself, you need to plan yourself. Before starting the Q card section, they'll give you 1 minute to make your notes, to make your headings, to make the highlights of your topic. Then you should utilize that 1 minute according to the best possible knowledge you have, because in that scenario you need it. For example, the best for example food or the favorite food, then you need to make certain notes. What is my favorite food? Okay, for example, you need to say something about the pizza. What are the best pizza restaurants in your locality? Why do you like pizza? When often do you visit those restaurants to have some pizza? Okay, मतलब डोंट जस्ट गेट स्टक टू वन थिंग कि पिज़्ज़े के ऊपर बोलना है, वो एक राउंड फिगर के ऊपर नहीं बोलना आपने. ठीक है, आपको पूरे के पूरे प्लान को बताना है कि कैसे आपने, वाई डू यू लाइक पिज़्ज़ा. सो यू कैन से दैट यू कैन स्टार्ट द आंसर जस्ट लाइक दिस. आई लाइक मोस्टली फास्ट फूड, बट when it comes to pizza I am deeply obsessed with it. I cannot resist myself when it comes to pizza or something. In my locality there are a lot of restaurants who offer very good and delicious taste of various pizzas, and but I like the most is the one which names is Fox and Knife. For example, anyone, Fox and Knife, and I used to visit this place more often. And there is also a restaurant which gives a native flavor to that fast food, and its name is this is just prolong your story. Just prolong your story, and you can prolong your story by just जब आप अपने पॉइंट्स को, जो 1 मिनट आपको मिलेगा एग्जाम शुरू होने से पहले, उसमें लिख लेंगे बुलेट पॉइंट्स की फॉर्म में. ठीक है, और डोंट जस्ट गेट स्टक योर सेल्फ टू जस्ट टॉपिक. आप उसके इर्द गिर्द एक स्टोरी क्रिएट करें और अपने एग्जाम को आगे लेके जाएं. ट्रस्ट मी, यू आर गोइंग टू गेट मैक्सिमम बैंड स्कोर बाय दिस. स्ट्रेटेजाइज करें, बुलेट्स पॉइंट बनाएं, और जस्ट rock your exam. So in the upcoming videos I'll share more tips with you, so don't go anywhere without subscribing. So see you in the next videos. Kindly like, subscribe and share my channel with your friends who are going to take the IELTS exam very soon. So Allah Hafiz.